Two groups of protesters gathering near the Kent County Health Department this afternoon, advocating for competing causes.
One group wants expanded mask mandates, the other simply doesn't. Our Michael Martin was there today. He joins us live from the newsroom to start us off this hour with a recap. Michael.
Yeah, Doug, Angeline, initially sounded like these protests would happen one right after the other, but as the morning progressed, both groups showing up at basically the same time. Now, about 3 times as many folks there to advocate against mask mandates. Much of the discussion, though, on both sides about masks in school. For those there in support of them, they were there in desperation, expressing frustrations at their concerns over public health they say have become fodder for political divisiveness.
Two opposing groups of protesters meeting in front of the Kent County Health Department Friday afternoon. One side against the idea of any further mask mandates being issued.
We're simply citizens that are advocating for our rights as granted to us under the Constitution.
And the other eager for public health officials to step up in response to the recent increase in concerns over the Delta variant.
Like, forget about politics, forget about religion. This has nothing to do with freedom. We're in a pandemic.
Parents like Marie want health officials to reinstate mask mandates at area schools.
I have 2 children with asthma, and one of them's 11, and he's going into a 5-6 building with kids that don't have to wear masks. We've got the Delta variant coming.
She helped organize and launch the Smart Science Alliance about a week ago with several other frustrated moms.
So we're really focusing on Kent County right now in the school district and getting them to enforce just safety rules, just common sense safety rules to keep our kids safe.
The disease is becoming devastating again. We will see our hospital systems near collapse, turning away patients if we don't take this just as seriously as we had last year.
But for the other side, requiring masks in school again is unacceptable.
No mask mandates anywhere, particularly in school for our little kids. They have to breathe.
We are empowered with critical thought and the ability to make our own decisions concerning our lives and the lives of our children.
Both groups on Friday looking to get the attention of the passing public and the Kent County Health Department, who responded to the gatherings in a video Friday afternoon.
In the past several days, I have received hundreds, perhaps thousands of emails and calls from concerned residents regarding the topic of masks in schools. These emails reflect a wide variety of perspectives people have.
In his 12-minute statement, Dr. Adam London says the Delta variant has been ID'd in Kent County with increasing frequency over recent weeks.
I am not issuing a public health order mandating masks in the schools at this time. This decision is due to the reality that not all options have been exhausted to prevent the danger before us. I expect that the children under the age of 12 who are not yet eligible for vaccine are protected through mask use and other proven prevention strategies.
With no additional mandates being issued at the local level Friday, both groups say they will continue to advocate for what they believe is right.
We should make our choices for ourselves based on informed decisions.
This is not about rights versus non-rights. This ends up becoming a conversation about life and its frailty. Nobody can predict who gets COVID-19.
And it's worth noting that Grand Rapids Public Schools announced last week that they would not be requiring staff and students to wear face masks this year, but they would strongly recommend them. Now, the pro-mask side of things today hopes that changes before kids head back. First day of school just 11 days away on August 24th. For now, live in the newsroom, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.